Hello students, welcome back. It's in this video our subject is Maths Class 1 Chapter 1 Pre-Numbers Concept. It's lecture number 2 Homework Solution. In this video we will discuss the homework of lecture number 2. Our homework was reading of page number 7 and 8. This is page number 7. We will read this page. Okay, let's start reading. Read with me. Keep your finger where my one is. Okay, start reading. N-E-A-R, near. A and D, and F-A-R, far. T-H-E, the. C-A-R, car. I-S, is. P-A-R, K-E-D, part. And E-A-R, near. T-H-E, the. H-O-U-S-E, house. B-U-T, but. F-A-R, far. F-R-O-M, from. T-H-E, the. H-I-L-L, hill. Near. Near means pass. F-A-R, far. Far means dur. It is page number 8. M-O-R-E, more. A-N-D, and. L-E-S-S, less. More and less. More means ज़्यादा. Less means कम. More and less. More, less. M-O-R-E, more. L-E-S-S, less. Thank you.